All right. Webinar Sunday, 3:30 p.m. for folks who are in the Kingdom program, links below. Also, if you want exclusive mentorship, my email address is below and we can have a conversation to see if you're a good fit. If you're not interested in making money, building, creating, don't email me. I'm not trying to be your fucking friend. I'm your teacher. I'm your mentor. That's what I'm trying to do. So, let's just jump into it. Richard Fain has his girlfriend on YouTube. They've created a new YouTube channel. Richard Fain. And where did he get this ideal from? I'm just wondering. Go ahead and put it in there. There's a lot of couples channel. There's a lot of people who bring their girlfriend on YouTube. Not even close to being the first one. But in this space, in the educational space, in the how to make money space, who brought their girlfriend on the YouTube channel? When did I bring my baby on here? I think he got this shit from me. I honestly do. Let's see. She came on. I got all kinds of stuff. All right. So she came on. Yeah, I've been putting out a lot of videos. Let's see. December 9th. She came on December 5th. December 5th is when I brought my boo on YouTube. I'm sorry, Richard. I don't think that you just came up with this on your own. I don't think so. I think you got that from me. That's what I'm saying. I'm claiming that. But shout out to Richard Fain and his girlfriend, Paige. They make a nice couple. I'm not hating on them a couple. I'm just saying, who came up with the idea first? It was me. It was me. So, shout out to Richard Fain and his girlfriend, Paige. Nice looking couple. And yeah, you got the idea from me. Because I was the first one to do it in this space. First one. And when I put that video up, people were like, oh, you were seeing something historic. So shout outs to Richard Fain and his woman, Paige. A lot of people watch this channel that I were unaware they were watching this channel. Interesting.